Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager. I had to reset mine recently because I ended up breaking it trying to upload a theme that was corrupted, or I think what happened was I ended up messing up the boot screens and it crashed the device where it wouldn't even boot the theme at all. It just was stuck in a loop. So I'm going to show you how to factory reset your device. So if your screen was locked like it was for me earlier, all you got to do is hold down the power button until it turns off. Now what you need to do is hold down the power button as it turns on, hold down the red button to the left. So as the device powers on, you got to keep holding onto that red button until you see a red screen. So keep holding it down right here. So then you're going to see this screen, factory reset. It says right here, reset, and then cancel. Green is reset, red is cancel. So if I click on the green one, you're going to see it start to go back and forth. This process right here could take over 15 minutes. I think for me it took over, over 15. I think it was like almost 20 minutes for me. So once it's flashing like this, don't touch it. Just let it reset itself. Eventually it will boot up and you'll see that welcome screen like you saw in the beginning of this video. But that's it. Just want to show you how to reset your Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager. Messing around like files like I am, this is something that you're probably going to have to do once in a while, especially if you break it like I did. So learn from me. Have a great day, everybody. Do me a favor and remember that safety is an illusion.